For decades, Detroit and its surrounding have been a safe haven for minorities like the Chaldean Christian community. But then in June, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or known as ICE, detained 114 Detroit Iraqi nationals with criminal records to deport them back to Iraq.
Donald Trump's first travel ban had Iraq listed as one of the countries that was banned from, its citizens were banned from entering the United States. So everyone was wondering, well, why wasn't Iraq included on the second travel ban? And it turns out that the Trump administration had negotiated a set of deals with the Iraqi government for a lot of different things. But one of the things that they agreed on was that Iraq would begin to take back Iraqi nationals who were in the United States on final order of removal that they were not previously agreeing to accept.
For years, the Iraqis' orders of removal had been delayed because the U.S. had no repatriation agreement with Iraq. After the agreement, ICE wanted to summarily deport them. The judge disagreed.
What the order says is that all Iraqi nationals, all these 1,444 individuals that are subject to deportation, they have 90 days from the time that they get their immigration file from the government to make a motion to reopen their case in immigration court.
The upcoming trials in immigration court have an added significance because, as minorities, the Iraqi Christians face possible torture and even death if they are sent back.
Not only Christians, but Muslims too are at a serious risk of being tortured, being put to death, being kidnapped and ransomed, not just because of their religion, but because of their affiliation with the West.
For the daughter of one detainee, the worry is personal.
He's been in this country, like all of them have been in this country for so many years, like decades. So in Iraq, if they get sent back, the government's gonna think these are rejects, like US citizen rejects, and they're gonna take them in. Like, they're gonna kill them, they're gonna torture them, like everybody knows. Even I know the government here knows it, but why? Why are they sending them back?
He served his time for a year and a half in the 80s and now faces deportation. Dizayee, VOA News, Detroit.